What happens to your prostate when you masturbate every day after 60? The shocking truth doctors won't tell you. Did you know that one man dies from prostate cancer every 45 minutes worldwide? And yet, something as simple as your daily habit, yes, masturbation, could change those odds dramatically. Some say it's dangerous, others whisper it's life-saving. So which is it? Before we dive in, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe so more men can learn the truth about their health. And I want to hear from you. Comment below. Do you think masturbation after 60 is harmful or helpful? Let's see where most men stand. Introduction. Have you ever asked yourself quietly, maybe late at night, is it still okay that I do this every day? Not out of guilt, not out of shame, but simply because you're wondering. If you're over 60, you're not alone. Thousands of older men carry this question silently. We openly discuss blood pressure, cholesterol, diabetes, even testosterone, but when it comes to self-touch, silence, confusion, myths. So let's rip the band-aid off today. What really happens to your prostate when you masturbate daily after 60? Is it quietly damaging you, as some rumors suggest? Or could it be one of the simplest protective tools you've had all along, hiding in plain sight? Call to action before body. Before we break down the science, let me ask you again. Would you be surprised if I told you that daily ejaculation after 60 may actually reduce your cancer risk? If that shocks you, click like right now, because what I'm about to share will go against decades of myths. Body development. I'll walk you through this by timeline and mechanism. Short-term effects: daily, weekly. Medium-term: months. Long-term: years. Lifestyle factors that amplify or destroy these benefits. 1. Short-term effects, the first few days to weeks. Shocking fact: studies show that over 70% of men over 60 experience lower urinary tract symptoms, frequent urination, weak stream, or incomplete emptying. Many don't realize daily ejaculation might actually ease some of these problems. What happens immediately after release? Flushing the prostate ducts. Your prostate is a gland that produces seminal fluid. If you don't ejaculate, that fluid can stagnate. Imagine leaving a cup of water out for weeks. The bacteria and debris build up. Ejaculation clears this. Hormonal relief. Ejaculation temporarily lowers cortisol, the stress hormone. After 60, high cortisol contributes to hypertension, diabetes, and chronic inflammation. A balanced sexual rhythm may act like a pressure valve. Improved sleep. A 2019 NIH-backed study found that orgasm triggers oxytocin and prolactin release, which directly improve deep sleep quality, critical for older men struggling with insomnia. Personal opinion and example. I've seen countless men, including relatives, who noticed that when they ejaculated every few days, they felt less pelvic pressure and slept better. One 68-year-old man told me he no longer needed to wake up 3 times at night to urinate after he kept a healthy rhythm. 2. Medium-term effects, after 1 to 3 months. Surprising statistic. In a landmark 2016 Harvard study of 31,900 men tracked for 18 years, those who ejaculated 21 times per month had a 33% lower risk of prostate cancer compared to men who ejaculated less than 7 times. Here, why consistency matters. 1. Inflammation reduction. Chronic prostatitis inflammation often gets worse with age. Regular release keeps immune activity balanced inside the prostate. 2. Circulation boost. Ejaculation maintains blood flow in the pelvic region. Without it, tissues become stagnant, nerves weaken, and sexual function declines. 3. Mood and energy regulation. Dopamine from orgasm isn't just about pleasure, it motivates daily activity. Men who maintain sexual activity often report better exercise habits and fewer depressive symptoms. Real-life example. In clinical practice, doctors often note that men with moderate, healthy sexual activity also recover faster after prostate procedures than those who are completely inactive. My view, this isn't just about sex, it's about maintenance, like exercising your heart. The prostate is a muscular gland. If you use it, you keep it fit. If you don't, atrophy and inflammation creep in. 3. Long-term effects, years of daily practice. Eye-opening truth: prostate cancer is the second most common cancer in men worldwide. By age 65, your risk skyrockets, but consistent ejaculation seems to play a protective role across decades. How long-term daily masturbation helps. Cancer protection, regular ejaculation reduces carcinogen buildup in seminal fluid. Harvard's findings are echoed by Australian and European studies. Better hormone balance, long-term sexual activity helps sustain testosterone rhythm. Without it, older men often experience testosterone resistance. Their bodies produce it, but tissues don't respond well. Urinary health, men who maintain regular sexual activity into their 70s report fewer cases of severe BPH, benign prostate hyperplasia. But caution, overdoing it out of boredom or compulsion can backfire. Signs include fatigue, low motivation, and pelvic discomfort. Like exercise, too much strain damages more than it heals. 4. Lifestyle factors that decide whether it helps or hurts. Daily ejaculation alone won't save your prostate. It's one tool in a bigger picture. Let's break down the 5 pillars of prostate protection. 1. Nutrition. O-lycopene, tomatoes, watermelon lowers oxidative stress in prostate tissue. O-green tea's EGCG reduces inflammation. O-cruciferous vegetables, broccoli, cabbage detox excess hormones. O-omega-3 fish oils improve circulation. O-example, men in Mediterranean countries rich in tomato and fish diet have lower aggressive prostate cancer rates. 2. Movement. O-sedentary lifestyle equals pelvic stagnation. O-walking 30 minutes day, pelvic floor, Kegel exercises or yoga keeps blood moving. O-knee studies prove Kegels improve urinary control in older men. 3. Sleep and hormones. O-deep sleep restores testosterone. Poor sleep increases estrogen and prostate inflammation. O-simple fixes. Avoid caffeine after 2 p.m., keep room cool, and try magnesium glycinate. 4. Inflammation control. O-avoid processed foods, alcohol, and smoking, all fuel systemic inflammation. A 2021 Translational Andrology and Urology review showed anti-inflammatory diets improved symptoms more than some drugs. 5. Mental stress and shame. Guilt around masturbation raises cortisol, harms immunity, and worsens prostate inflammation. Example, men raised in strict cultures often struggle with shame that directly worsens urinary symptoms. My opinion, healing starts when you see release not as dirty, but as maintenance, like brushing your teeth. Call to action before conclusion. Quick pause. If you're learning something new today, hit like right now so YouTube knows this is valuable content. And tell me in the comments, have you noticed your prostate feels better or worse depending on your sexual habits? Your story might help another man. Conclusion and recap. Surprising recap question. Did you ever think that something you've been doing quietly for decades might be one of the simplest tools to protect you from prostate cancer? Here's the truth. Short-term, ejaculation flushes the prostate, lowers stress, and improves sleep. Medium-term, it reduces inflammation, sustains blood flow, and boosts mood. Long-term, it lowers cancer risk, preserves hormone balance, and maintains urinary function. But its benefits only shine when paired with nutrition, movement, good sleep, low inflammation, and freedom from shame. Final thought, masturbation after 60 isn't shameful. It isn't childish. It's biology. Your prostate may depend on it more than you realize. Think of it as preventive medicine nature built into your body. If this video opened your eyes, don't stop here. Click like, subscribe, and share this with a friend who might need to hear it. And in the comments, tell me, do you believe daily release after 60 is a secret weapon for prostate health or just a myth? And if you want to know the 5 daily habits that protect your prostate naturally after age 60, make sure to watch the next video. No gimmicks, no taboos, just practical steps you can start today. Click right here and continue your journey to real, lasting men's health.